So Oraka and his group, Ogbalu Oraka and their group, maybe Emenanjo or some of these people, you can count up to billion now because it's decimalized. And they coined or borrowed from dialect things we didn't have one word for before. That people now say Iriabo instead of Uru. Or say Iriato instead of Uru Niri. For instance, to say 1,000 those days, it was impossible. You go doing the adding until you get to, for instance, Nwabo or Oguiri will be your 1,000. But now you can use one word for it. It's all thanks to that Society for Promotion of Igbo. They worked really hard on it.